sticker go?
You got a bunch of stickers on there.
What is it?
You smile at Dad?
What are the stickers?
Tell your dad what you think of your new truck.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah. What's in here?
Don't pull the wires. That's going to hook that into the battery.
What is this for?
That's going to hook into the battery.
Into the battery? What is for tomorrow?
Because we're going to charge the battery.
It moves. What are those?
Those lights?
Those are lights. Those are
So
lights.
she ate just at 5.
Those are
Okay.
my headlights.
Go ahead and go.
Those are my back lights. That's all it. That's all.
So you like your truck, buddy?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why you got it?
I don't know. A lot of people in the potty.
That's right. You use the big boy potty now.
Well, what's in here?
You have to carry stuff in there.
What?
Yeah.
In
That
the front too?
That's where your battery goes.
truck goes in, or the battery goes in the front.